Welcome to Sky Commodities Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult your financial advisor. Major data of this week has economic inflation related data and major events like OPEC meeting on Thursday, and Monday we have evening session only and Friday is a holiday. Now let's see the precious metals outlook. Gold and silver has news like gold short-term risk on view, that is based on vaccinations and the economic recovery. On the same time, Europe is shutting down after failures with vaccine distribution. A new lockdown is expected in increased COVID-19 areas. Fundamentally, this is a mixed news for precious metals. And technically speaking, until gold trade below 44270 levels, it remains in positive bias only. Silver may expect a positive trade with resistance of 66600 levels and support to 63096 levels. These are the major precious metals outlook. Let's see the energy outlook. First is crude oil. It has a news like Suez Canal jam that could inordinately delay global shipments of crude. But the volatility will extend to the next week when Producer Alliance OPEC Plus meets to conceivably vote against a hike in production due to the challenges posed by new lockdowns in Europe. It is more likely that the group will look to extend production cuts. Fundamentally, this is a skeptical positive news for crude oil. And technically speaking, crude oil may expect a high volatility trade and any drop may be seen to utilize a buying opportunity. Next is natural gas. It has a news like muted natural gas demand, strong production allows for US inventory rebounds. Fundamentally, this is a slight negative news for natural gas. And technically speaking, last week we mentioned natural gas may expect a mild recovery rally, and that rally now has generated 7 points, almost 8,700 rupees profit has shown. And in this week, natural gas may expect a positive bias up to 198 levels. These are the major energy outlook. Let's see the base metals outlook. First is copper. It has a news like Biden said that he plans to seek re-election in 2024 and promised to invest more funds than China in innovation and infrastructure and will not allow China to surpass the United States to become the world's most powerful country. This is fundamentally a positive news for copper. And technically speaking, copper may expect a positive rally with resistance of 688 levels and support of 659 levels. Next is aluminum. It has a news like the cargo ship traffic jam on the Suez Canal in Egypt is exacerbating the shortage of primary aluminum billet supplies in Europe. This is fundamentally a positive news for aluminum, and technically speaking, aluminum may expect a positive momentum trade with resistance of 182.5 levels. Next is lead. It has a news like the US Federal Reserve Chairman Mr. Powell said that the central bank will not stop unconventional monetary policy support until the US economy is close to complete a recovery, and this is fundamentally a slight positive news for lead. And technically speaking, any drop may be seen in lead to utilize a buying opportunity in between 155.5 to 156.5 levels. Next is zinc. It has a news like treatment charges for the domestic zinc concentrate continue to fall while zinc social investors shrank by 11,500 MT this week, suggesting improved consumption. This is fundamentally a positive news for zinc, and technically speaking, zinc may expect a positive bias up to 223.25 levels. Next is nickel. It has a news like China briquette market comes alive on new energy vehicle NEV demand. This is fundamentally a slight positive news for nickel, and technically speaking, nickel may expect a high volatility trade with support of 1139.9 and resistance of 1219.4 levels. Overall, our weekly market commentary has generated Rs 8,700 worth profit is given. For more profits and information, visit our website www.skycommodities.com.